247Digitize webinar series. This session titled Sales Prices and Customer Discounts promises to be an insightful exploration of pricing and discount process features in Acumatica, brought to you by the experts at 247Digitize. Before we dive into our agenda, a quick word about 247Digitize. We are a dedicated team of Acumatica experts committed to helping businesses harness the full potential of this powerful ERP solution. Our goal is to equip you with the knowledge and tools you need to drive efficiency, streamline operations, and maximize your ROI. I am Mazhar, the Director of Business Development at 247Digitize. And on the organizing team today, I have Neha and Sam with me. Neha heads bookkeeping practice at 247Digitize. Neha is a chartered accountant by profession. Neha comes with over a decade's expertise in financial reporting, external and internal audits, and global client management. Neha specializes in technical accounting and leading implementation of new accounting standards. She has led diverse teams, delivering customized solutions to meet evolving needs of businesses. Sam, who is the head of marketing at 247Digitize, is the technical expert behind this webinar. Thank you, Sam. Our valued audience, whether you are an industry expert, a business owner, or simply curious about this topic, we encourage you to participate actively by asking your questions in the chat box, and we will answer your questions at the end of the session. Did you know that many businesses choose to outsource their bookkeeping? However, most organizations opt for fractional bookkeepers who are not always trained in Acumatica ERP solution. They also don't make day-to-day entries into Acumatica on behalf of the customer. Our team of experts provides excellent results, helping clients in various industries improve their efficiency, accuracy, and overall bookkeeping process. With our process-driven approach and deep expertise in Acumatica, we offer a seamless outsourcing solution that frees your time and resources, allowing you to focus on what matters the most: growing your business. If you don't keep your books up to date throughout the year, you will never have a clear picture of your business finances. Keeping your books up to date throughout the year is essential for a clear understanding of your business finances, enabling informed decision making, tax compliance, effective cash flow management, business performance evaluation, investor and lender confidence, and legal compliance. Over to you, Neha.
Thank you, Mazhar. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome again to today's webinar on sales prices and customer discounts. In today's webinar, we'll be covering following topics: sales prices, types, and setting up different prices in Acumatica, sales prices implementation checklist, additional price settings in Acumatica, rules of price selection, review of existing sales prices, sales prices list and recalculating sales prices in bulk, setting up price adjustment multiplier, and customer discounts. Next slide. Before we delve into today's topics, let us briefly discuss what is a sales price. Sales prices refer to the final amount paid by the customer for product or service known as the selling price. The selling price is crucial for any organization as it directly impacts revenue, profitability, market competitiveness, and customer retention. Setting an optimal selling price is vital for organizations to maximize profits. An entity develops pricing strategy that aligns with its business goals, meets customer expectations, and positions it competitively in the market. Next slide. In Acumatica, sales prices are defined using the sales prices form AR, AR202000 or the Sales Prices Worksheets Form AR202010. When you create a sales price record for an item, you specify the item and the date when the price becomes effective. Additionally, you assign the price a specific sales price type and code, which helps define what the price applies to. In Acumatica, there are three main price types. Base price. A base price is the standard price assigned to a product or service before any discounts, promotions, or specific pricing strategies are applied. It is used as a reference rate and serves as the starting point for calculating final prices based on various conditions or customer segments. The base price does not involve any specific price codes or customer specific adjustments. For example, if a retail store sells a pair of shoes at a base price of $100, this price will be used as the default price unless there is a promotional discount, a volume purchase discount, or a customer specific price adjustment. If no special pricing conditions apply, the customers will pay the base price of $100. Next slide. Before setting up sales prices in Acumatica, a user must ensure that the system is configured properly for defining sales price common to all customers, specific to a particular customer price class, or specific to a particular customer. Make sure the following features and settings are configured. First, the stock and non-stock items are properly configured in the system. On the Enable or Disable Features form, ensure the following features are enabled: the standard financial feature, the inventory feature, the volume pricing feature, the multiple warehouse feature. In the common settings, ensure the unit of measurements are configured if UOM specific prices are needed. For warehouse specific prices, make sure that the necessary warehouses are configured. Let's create a new sales price record of base price type. Go to Sales Prices form in Acumatica. Click on the plus icon to create a new sales price entry. In the item field, select the stock or non-stock item for which you want to set the base price. Add a description for the item and specify the effective date. Ensure the price type is set to base price. In the price field, enter the base price amount. If applicable, enter additional details such as currency, unit of measurement, and tax information. Click Save to record the new base price. Next slide. A customer price class type of pricing is where prices are assigned to a specific group or class of customers. This allows businesses to offer tailored pricing to different segments of their customer base, enabling more targeted and effective pricing strategies. Examples of customer price classes Some examples of customer price classes are: a business might create a customer price class for wholesale customers, standard pricing for retail customers, special pricing for loyalty program members as a reward for their loyalty, or discounted prices for non-profit organizations or educational institutions. Now, we'll discuss how to set up customer price class in Acumatica. Define different price classes based on your business needs and customer segmentation. Assign each customer to the appropriate price class. Specify the price for items based on each customer price class in the sales prices form. Regularly review the effectiveness of the price classes and make adjustments as necessary to reflect changes in market conditions or customer behaviors. Next, next slide. In Acumatica, a customer price type refers to a pricing where prices are specifically set for individual customers. This allows businesses to offer personalized pricing to particular customers based on their purchasing behavior, loyalty, or negotiated agreements. This type of pricing is particularly useful for businesses that need to provide special deals or discounts to key clients. Some instances where customer price may be included are a business might offer a specific discount to a long term customer based on their purchase history. Prices may be agreed in a contract with a particular customer for a certain period of time. Special pricing may be applicable for customers who have a significant impact on business's revenue. The steps to set up customer price type in Acumatica are similar to setting up a new base price record we discussed earlier. Next slide. Now, let us discuss about few additional price settings in Acumatica. Prices of the listed types, that is base price, customer price class, and customer, can also be defined with additional optional settings to cater to specific business needs. These options include promotional pricing prices, volume dependent prices, and warehouse specific prices. Next slide. Now, promotional prices are designed to draw customers' attention and encourage purchases. These prices are effective for a specific period, usually set to coincide with sales events or marketing campaigns. For example, a holiday sale price that is valid only during the month of December. Next, we'll discuss how to define promotional prices in Acumatica. Access the sales prices form. Select inventory item. Choose the appropriate customer price type, sales price type. Enable the promotional price option. Specify the promotional price and its effective period. Save changes. Next slide. Moving on, let's discuss about volume dependent prices. These prices are prices that vary on the quantity of products being purchased. Such pricing encourages customers to buy in larger quantities by offering price reductions for higher volumes. For example, a discount applied when a customer purchases 100 units or more of a product. Defining volume based prices in Acumatica on the enable or disable features form, ensure volume pricing is enabled. Go to the sales prices form. Choose the inventory item for which you want to define volume based prices. Choose the appropriate price type. Look for the section related to volume pricing or break quantity. Specify the break quantity levels and the corresponding prices for each level. Save the changes to apply the volume based prices for the selected item. Next slide. Lastly, let's discuss warehouse specific prices. Warehouse specific pricing is a strategy where different prices are set for the same product depending on the warehouse from which it is sold or shipped. This approach is useful for managing regional pricing differences or for implementing warehouse specific promotions. By tailoring prices to specific warehouses, businesses can better align their pricing strategy with regional market conditions, logistic costs, and promotional activities. Example, a lower price for items shipped from a warehouse in a region with lower shipping costs. Defining warehouse specific prices in Acumatica. Navigate to the sales prices form in Acumatica. Choose the inventory item for which you want to define warehouse specific prices. Choose the appropriate price type. On the Warehouse tab, select the warehouse for which you want to define the price. Specify the price for the selected warehouse. Set the effective date to determine when it becomes applicable. Click on Save. Next, next slide. You can define multiple prices, each with a different goal for an item. When a user selects an item in a document line or modifies the item's quantity, the system searches for an applicable price that is effective on the date of the document. The system bases this search on the price search priority, highest to lowest, and stops when it finds an applicable price for the item. In general, promotional prices have higher priority than regular prices. Prices for the specific unit of measurement used in the document are prioritized over prices for the base unit of measure. Prices for the selected warehouse are prioritized over non warehouse specific prices. This means Acumatica summarizes or prioritizes promotional prices, matches the unit of measure, and considers warehouse specific prices to find the best price for the item. On the next slide, you can see price selection criteria for different price types. Please note that promotional prices always take priority over regular prices in all price types. Let us now discuss how to review existing prices. For a particular item on the sales price form, you will view the prices specified for a customer and for a customer price class. You will also view base prices and promotional prices for the item. You can also view default price of a particular non-stock item on the non-stock items form. Use the price history section to review the historical changes to the pricing of a particular item. This helps in understanding past price trends and adjustments. For a more comprehensive analysis, you can export the list of sales prices to a spreadsheet. Use the export functionality to download the data in a format suitable for further review and analysis. The sales price worksheet form in Acumatica is particularly useful for retail businesses that deal with different price list form from various vendors. This allows for the efficient management and updating of sales prices across numerous items, making it easier to handle the complexity of vendor pricing and retail price adjustments. Key uses of this feature for retail businesses with multiple price lists are vendor price updates. When using the sales price worksheet form, the business can quickly update retail prices based on the latest price lists received from various vendors. They can also ensure that retail price reflect the most current vendor costs to maintain profitability. Secondly, it facilitates price list comparisons. Users can compare price lists from different vendors to determine the most competitive pricing strategy. Also, users can use this form for making bulk price adjustments to sales prices for multiple items at once. This is especially useful when new vendor price lists are received. To create a to create a sales price worksheet, we will upload an Excel file on the sales price worksheets form. Then will release each sales price worksheet and review the new prices on the sales prices form. Next slide. On the sales price worksheets form, you will create a sales price worksheet and populate it with the price records that you want to recalculate. Then, on the sales order form, you will calculate the sales prices based on the MSRP of the items and create the sales order. Next slide. Price adjustment multiplier. This is an interesting feature using which businesses can manage sales prices for items sold in different units of measures by maintaining prices for one UOM and configuring the system to automatically adjust prices for other UOMs. This is to set up price adjustment multipliers, navigate the sales order preference form. On the General tab, select Use a price adjustment multiplier checkbox. For stock items, go to the stock items form. For non-stock items, go to the non-stock items form. On the General tab of these forms, locate the price adjustment multiplier column. Enter the adjustment multiplier for each unit of measure. Once the price adjustment multiplier functionality is enabled, the system will calculate sales prices based on the specified multipliers. This allows the system to adjust prices for different units of measurement automatically, ensuring consistent pricing across various UOMs. Next slide. Now, let's discuss about customer discounts. Customer discounts make products more appealing to customers by reducing selling prices. These discounts are a key part of marketing strategies and can be configured in various ways within Acumatica. In the following slides, we will be exploring different types of customer discounts. Let us talk about manual discounts and line discounts. Manual discounts are promotions or offers that can be added to a subscription without predefining them. In Acumatica, organizations can enter manual discounts in each document on forms such as invoices and memos, sales, cash sales, sales orders, and invoices. Line discounts apply a discount as a percentage or amount to the unit price of an order line. They can be based on factors like customer, item, minimum quantity, unit of measure, or period. In Acumatica, manual line discounts can be applied on the Details tab of the document's creation form. In the current screen, you can on the current slide, you can see that a line discount is added manually on the invoices form. Next slide. Group discounts. Group discounts or category discounts offer discounts on all items within the category on the price sheet. They can be automatic or promo code based. In Acumatica, manual group discounts can be applied to documents if the customer discounts feature is enabled. Next slide. Next, we'll be discussing about document discounts. Document discounts provide short-term financing tools to help companies manage cash flow and working capital. They can be applied manually on forms like invoice, like invoices and memos, or automatically if the customer discounts feature is enabled. Next slide. Promotional discounts are temporary price reductions used to increase sales, move inventory, and attract customers. In Acumatica, these discounts are configured using discount codes and applied manually on documents. Next, next slide. Next, we'll discuss about volume discounts. Volume discounts adjust prices based on the quantity of a product purchased. They can be structured as simple discounts, tiered discounts, or threshold discounts. Acumatica allows setting up or automatic volume discounts for specific stock items. Next slide. Multiple discounts. More often than once, we come across a situation where more than one type of discount is applied on a single invoice. In Acumatica, multiple discounts can be configured for specific non-stock items using discount codes and applied to invoices. To set up customer discounts in Acumatica, enable the customer discounts feature and configure discount codes and sequences. Then apply discounts manually on documents or set up automatic discounts based on specific criteria. By effectively utilizing these customer discounts, organizations can stimulate sales, promote new products, and enhance overall marketing strategies. This brings us to the end of the discussion. Thank you all for joining us today. Over to you, Mazhar.
Thanks, Neha. Excellent session. Thanks a lot for those insights. Key benefits of Acumatica bookkeeping services. Just wanted to highlight the benefits of outsourcing bookkeeping tasks to 247 Digitize. The first one is time and cost savings. By outsourcing your bookkeeping tasks to us, you save valuable time and resources that can be allocated to core business activities. Next, efficiency and accuracy. We maintain your books with precision, ensuring all financial data is recorded accurately and efficiently. Third one, key employees attrition peace of mind. When an organization relies heavily on key employees who possess specialized skills, knowledge, or experience, the thought of leaving can create uncertainty and disrupt business operations. However, by outsourcing bookkeeping to external partners or service providers, the organization can mitigate the risk associated with key employees' attrition. Scalability. Our services are flexible and scalable, allowing us to adapt to your business's evolving needs as it grows. Data security. We prioritize the security and confidentiality of your financial information, employing robust measures to protect your data. In some cases, organizations may prefer to limit their employees' access to financial information. In such situations, outsourcing to service providers could be a viable option. Additionally, we offer the flexibility to sign up for specific critical and challenging areas instead of complete bookkeeping, such as accounts receivables, AR, accounts payable, AP management, general ledger, GL maintenance, or inventory management. This tailored approach allows us to address your specific pain points and align our services with your unique requirements. While your accounting team may be robust, outsourcing certain challenging areas of Acumatica bookkeeping to us can lead to accurate and timely monthly and yearly book closures. Instead of continuing to expand your finance team, you have the option option to provide us with your requirement, and we can serve as an extension of your office. This way, we can effectively handle specific tasks, allowing your in house team to focus on other core responsibilities. We are a US based company with our head office in Chicago and three delivery centers in India, which are in Hyderabad, Chennai, and Bangalore. Our team is trained on the basic modules of Acumatica with a comprehensive training duration of 175 hours. Additionally, we have expertise in industry specific modules. This targeted training ensures that our team is well equipped to address the unique requirements and challenges associated with these industries, providing specialized and effective solutions for our clients. We have implemented a shift based work schedule to effectively manage different time zones. In the first half of their shift, our bookkeepers work on entering transactions from previous business day so that the transactions are ready for review by the time our client begins their next day. In the second half of the shift aligns with the first half of US office hours for better coordination. Additionally, we have team members dedicated to providing support till the office closing hours of Eastern Region, enhancing our responsiveness and availability of client assistance as needed. Our valued audience, whether you are an industry expert, a business owner, or simply curious about the topic, we encourage you to participate actively by asking questions in the chat box and we'll answer your questions. Now, we'll, we have allocated 2 minutes so that you can ask your questions and we can answer your questions. And we'll try to answer all your questions now if the time permits. If not, we'll get back to you with an answer. Sam, let's wait for 2 minutes for the questions.
Sure, Master. Let's wait 2 minutes. And also, as Master already mentioned, if you are watching this webinar at some other time, feel free to contact us, and we will reach back with whatever doubt you may have, and we will tell you how we can assist you. Please don't hesitate to send us an email or to comment on our LinkedIn website.
Absolutely. You can also, this video will be available even after the session finishes. So it's the same link. You hit on the link, or you can watch the video once again, and you can use the chat box there for asking questions in future. And also you can connect with us on our website or on our LinkedIn page or our Acumatica marketplace landing page. Other than that, you can contact me, Mazhar Ali, and our head of bookkeeping practice, Neha Singhania, and Sam, if needed, for any questions. We can directly, go browse our LinkedIn profiles and send a message. We are open and ready to help.
I would also like to add, by the way, that as Master mentioned, our previous webinars are also on our LinkedIn page, but we also have a YouTube page that you can visit. Just go to YouTube and look for 247Digitize, and you will see all of our previous webinars there uploaded, and we will also upload this later today.
And also, to add what Sam has said, all these videos are also available on Acumatica Marketplace on our landing page there. Sam, how long it's been since we've been
It's
waiting
been
for
2 minutes
questions?
already. We don't have any questions right now, so maybe some people will watch this later and comment, but
Yep,
right now there are no questions.
sure. Let's proceed further. If you or your clients are interested in learning more, please do get in touch with me. You may make a note or take a screenshot of my contact details. Let's discuss how we can streamline your bookkeeping processes. Looking forward to connecting soon. Thank you all for being a part of today's webinar. We look forward to see you at the next one, which is on June 26th. Stay tuned to our LinkedIn page for more updates. We appreciate your participation. If you have any further questions or feedback, please reach out. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you all.
Thank you, everyone.
Yeah, good
Thanks.
session. Thanks. Thanks.